So first thing first, let's go to our phone. Go ahead and open the Play Store, and in the search bar, type Virtual Master Android Clone. Once you see the app, go ahead and install it. Now, one thing I need to clarify here, this app is a built-in app, meaning it creates a second phone inside your phone. So think of it like having another Android device running inside your main device. This part is very important. When the app is done downloading, open it. At the top, you will see Create VM. Click on it. Next, select Android devices. You will see a lot of available versions here, but I personally recommend you choose Android version 7.1.2. Once it's done downloading, click next. Now here, you would be asked to select your screen resolution. I'm going with this default resolution, which is 720. So just leave it as default and click next. After that, you will see name VM, which means Virtual Master. As you can see it automatically names it based on the Android version we selected, which is Android 7.1.2. You can rename it if you want, or you can leave it. And just like that, the setup is complete, but we are not done yet. Now, from the preview you see right there, you will notice Start VM, that is Virtual Master. Go ahead and click on it. At this point, you will see installing file system. It usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. So just be patient and let it finish setting up. Alright, so as you can see now, our built-in phone is ready. If you scroll up, you will notice there are a lot of phone apps available here, but our main focus in this video is to save view once messages. So let's get into that. You might see an ad pop up, just close it. Now go ahead and import WhatsApp. Once WhatsApp is done installing, open it. WhatsApp is now installed on our second phone. From here, follow the same procedure you normally use to set up a WhatsApp account. Now listen carefully, this part is important. For iPhone users or Apple users, this is where it becomes your advantage. If your WhatsApp account is on your iPhone, you can link it as a companion device to this second phone. Simply scan the QR code displayed on the screen using your iPhone. For Android users, you can either link your existing account or create a new one. For this tutorial, I'm creating a new account. So I will select my country, Ghana, enter my phone number and continue. Follow the same steps you usually follow when creating a WhatsApp account. Set up your verification code and then give your WhatsApp account a name. As you can see, my profile details were automatically filled because the account already existed before. I deleted it just to properly show you this tutorial. Now, as you can see, the account is created. Right here, I've received a view once video. I'm opening it to show you exactly how this works. Once the video loads, you can screen record it, just like I'm doing right now. And once you are done, that is it. You have saved it. If the view once message is an image, you can simply take a screenshot instead.